Hi guys, welcome to my channel Yourz Techy, and in today's video I'm gonna show you quick unboxing of ED12 Hi-Fi dynamic headphones. So let's get into the packet. This is the packet in which I have received my order, and I have ordered it from gearbest.com, so you can check it out from the links in the description. And inside it I have got a paper in which there is written product name and number and quantity. As you can see there, this model number is KZ ED12 Hi-Fi music in ear earphones with mic. So let's keep it aside and take a look at earphones itself. You can see the earphones has nice packing, and on the back side it has written EP14, its model name I think. And let's take out its plastic and take a look at the text. Powerful bass and sensitive sound details bring wonderful delight of oral. And on the front it is written ED12, and on the sides there is written mic, and on the front it is written ED12 and some additional details. And here are earpiece. There is nothing on the box, so let's take it out. Take it. These are the earphones. Let's keep it aside for some time. In the box we get some extra ear tips. Let's open it and see its size. These are the size of ear tips that we get inside the box, and let's put it back, keep it aside for some time. And here are its cable. There is a user guide in which it is written, to prevent possible hearing damage, please do not listen at high volume levels for long period. Please read this before using the earphone. And here on the back side it is mentioned the precautions and how to use the earphones. Let's keep it aside and take a look at its cable. Here it comes, guys. You can see its cable. Let's unfold this. The cables are of nice quality with a rubber texture on top, and it is 3.5 mm audio jack, so it will be supported to all devices. And here it has mic and one button. Mic and here are its connectors that's to connect it to the earphones. And let's take out the earphones from the packet. These are the earphones that we get inside the box, and you can see that speaker is visible from the outside, and it looks pretty decent. Let's connect this from cable. Let's connect it two earphones. It's inserted fully well. Now we have to connect this one. It's also connected. So your earphones will look like this after being connected to the wire. And let's compare its sound test. Let's hear some song from these headsets. I will recommend you to use any earphones so you can get an idea of the sound and bass. So here it comes. Just wait for a second. So that's in this video, and these earphones also comes with active noise cancellation, and you can buy them directly from the links in the description below. And if you loved this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And signing out, yours Techy, and hope you are having a nice day.